Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make Grapenut ice cream, another classic in Jamaica. These are the ingredients. We have Grapenut right here. We're going to use heavy whipping cream. We're also going to use our condensed milk. All right guys, remember, allow Christ to become greater in your life and you need to become less. Okay? All right guys, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pour our heavy whipping cream in. I don't think I'm going to use all of this, so it's going to be 1.5 cup of this. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup condensed milk. So this is 1/2 cup. And then I'm going to actually whip. It must be thick and foamy. All right guys, you see that consistency? Look at it like this. You see that? That's what you should be getting. That's what you should be seeing. So I'm gonna pause for a little bit guys, and I'm gonna add some vanilla. That's 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, and we have some more condensed milk. I'm going to scrape that all in. Remember, you can add more condensed milk if you want. This was 1/2 cup. And I'm going to mix that in. All right guys, I'm going to add my 1 cup of grape nut. And I'm going to mix that well. All right guys, so we're gonna get that in our bowl, in our pan right here. Get that all in. This seems to be a lot. All right, so we're gonna flatten that. The ice cream should be fluffy like a cloud. It's like how the cloud is fluffy. That's okay, ice cream should be fluffy. So I'm gonna cover this with foil, and you're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 8 hours. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna just do this for overnight. So we can do it overnight. All right guys. Okay guys, so after putting it in the refrigerator overnight, you can actually do it for like 6 to 8 hours, or I did mine overnight. Okay, and this is our ice cream right here. Our Grapenut ice cream. It's creamy. This is what it looks like. And this is how we make Grapenut ice cream. You can serve this to your kids, to your family. This is our Grapenut ice cream. All right, guys, I'm gonna have me my little bowl of Grapenut ice cream. See you in my next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to give your heart to Christ. Take care.